Hi everyone, if you want to fixing the plastic, especially the car plastic, this is my steel engine down cover down to the engine, and this cover is actually Japanese, and if I buy a new one it's more than $200, and it's difficult to find also. Actually, it's not about the new, but it's difficult to find because Japanese car. And the thing is, I'm going to fixing, but it's very difficult. I tried this glue, it didn't work. I tried this, of course this is the hot glue, but when it's over temperature it will be removed. And here I put some plastic patches, but it's not going to work. As you can see, I know it can be easily removed. And here also, and here I put some hot glue, and after hot glue I put some this one, this like quick glue also. And here I put some plastic also here, and I think it's not going to work because quite heavy weight. Let's see. So far look okay, but here also, as you can see, I put just the glue, and I don't know. Yeah, you can see it's going to crack. Actually it's already it's not work at all. As you can see, I put the glue, but it's just easily come out. So far here I put the hot glue, plus I put the one rubber, and now it's look like little stronger. But here also I put same kind of patch. I don't know, this can come out. Oh yeah, you see it's easy to come out. For the car, see, it's not that strong. And if I see here, things are not that strong actually. So I have another way. What I'm going to do, I want to show you. Here was another patch, you can see it's all broken. But what I do, I fix it with this. Okay, so what I'm going to show you again, how you can fix it. So now I have another broken area. As you can see, I put the glue, but I'm sure I'm giving a little bit pressure, it's going to remove. Where's the camera? Yeah, as you can see, little bit zoom. Yeah, so you can see now, can see clear, right? So now you can see here I put the glue already here, but I think if I will little bit remove, you can see it's easily come out. It's not broke, because this is car, it's not easy to, I cannot do this thing to here because this is car holder. It's already cracked. So if I not broke it, when we will fix it, within one day, maybe a few days, just a little bit bump and it will be cracked. So this is not reliable. The problem is for a while I use that glue, this glue or this glue, but this is not reliable. So I have a very good way. As you can see, it's quite big, right? Now I'm going to put it back here, okay? And I'm going to take this powder. I will tell you later what is that. So far I'm going to pour it, and this is in our home, basic thing, very basic thing in our home. Okay, just press here a little bit. Now I'm going to pour this powder here everywhere. Okay, the powder should be especially in the middle. Okay, for strong bond. Okay, okay, now I can make the powder a little bit balanced to this side, because actually our, okay, yeah, this is the main area we have to focus. Okay, now I'm going to use the glue and pour on it. You can see a little bit small, a little bit zoom more. Okay, okay, as you can see, everything done. Now I'm going to close it and waiting for dry. Within few seconds it's gonna be dry. Let me zoom. Okay, yeah, okay, let's see. Now I want to show you that was just, you remember, that was just powder, right? Like this extra powder coming out. This is the place. As you can see, it's already hard and it's quite strong. Now it's not easy to break. And same thing I'm gonna repeat in the back side, so it will be very strong. Now I'm going to turn this upside down. You can see powder is down. Okay, this is the area where the powder was. Okay, this is the area on the back side, right? And here I'm going to repeat the same thing. As you can see the crack here. Again I'm going to pour. Actually this is quite difficult too, because this is car. In the car they have heat and the plastic is difficult to fix because it's very quite strong plastic. Nothing, and because of dust, nothing can stick with that. Have grease, have dust, and first you have to clean, then you have to rub. It's long work. Now again I'm going to pour. Okay, the more stronger, the more better. Now you can see a little bit going to put it this side. Okay, same I'm going to repeat. Okay, a little bit more zoom, right here. Yeah, keep in the middle. Yes, more. Okay, that is should be in the middle of. Perfect. Now I'm going to pour again. You can see the smoke. More zoom, so maybe you can see the smoke from your hand. Can be zoom. Put it in the frame, everything. Yeah. Now you can see. I'm putting more glue because actually it's quite thin layer. Okay. It's quite strong bone. You can see. You can see now the color, the texture. It's look strong. It's look wet, right? but actually is already hard within few seconds. So just give few seconds more, 30 seconds, and it will be hard. So now this area, as you can see, is quite strong. It's not easy to break. No matter what, it's not going to break easily. So that is what simple trick I want to share with you. And you can do all that area. I'm going to do all this area because this one I try put many glue, anything, it cannot work because all rust and dirty. So I have to do the same thing to all the way and save my car cover. Okay, so here's another example. This is a quite critical condition here. You see this is quite heavy car rack, and if this area gone is the screw area, so we need a strong joint here, because if this corner only have this joint, and if it's moving and it's easily to broke and difficult. So first thing, I'm going to put it little together just like this and put some glue and hold it tightly. Just put some glue a little bit quick and hold for a while like this, so at least it have a little bit support. So after we can put our powder. Within 5 to 10 seconds, as you can see, it's already get support. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do is we're going to take our baking powder. So what I use is baking soda or baking powder. You can use both. Now I'm going to pour and now I'm going to one drop here, drop here, other here. As you can see the smoke coming out, it's normal. Have smell also, don't bring your nose near. Yeah, done at least. And then I will pour more soda here. Okay, at least this area done. Cover your glue also in the same time quickly. I close the glue quickly. And now we have this area fixed. Now I'm going to put this area also. So first I can put the soda here straight away. Okay. So as you can see, the fix is done. It's a strong fix and take some time, and I will continue. So just I want to share with you, it's quite strong. If you see here, This is like a hard rock. You can hear the voice. This is not powder anymore. So this is the simple, easy and quick way to fixing any kind of hard plastic, especially for the car. And you see this is a quite big, this is engine cover, steel engine cover of the Toyota, and it's difficult to find in the market. So rather than I buy and find new, I can fix at home, because it's the screw side, they have a lot of cracks. Hope you like it. Thumbs up. Okay guys, so now you can see I done my job here. As you can see, solid. You can hear the voice. No more powder. It's more harder than plastic actually. So I make this patch, that side, this, both side for this screw, and here. And now even this is very weak point, as you can see, but I try to make it. And now even I am holding this from here, and I'm not worried even if normally I hold it. And now you can see other side, I have these patches all quite solid. I want to give you a little idea here. So now you can hear it's quite strong. This. So I hope you have idea how strong is this. So yeah, use baking soda is the best, or use baking powder. This is a baking powder because I don't have baking soda. So you can use baking powder, because the car repairing is not easy. If you use a normal glue, it can remove, because so much dust and rust there. Plus if you use a tape, cannot use. Normal glue cannot stick longer. Hot glue also cannot stay, because this is down to the engine. It's quite hot also and hard also, and especially bump it screw hold. But by the time I know this gonna be broke, might be, but at least maybe 1 year 2 year it can survive, and might be more, because this is my first experience. But so far this look quite strong like a stone. And yeah, I tested even without camera also. I tested and it's quite strong, and I think it's okay. So far so good. This is the cheapest and the quickest way. Just get that small quick glues, any quick glue, like you put, and it will dry within 5 seconds, 10 seconds. That kind of glue, you buy it with the water one. So you can just pour, and you can smell like a burn or some chemical reaction. Be careful from your hand. So yeah, and both side, as you can see, I fix it, and so far look satisfied. See you.